While most eyes have been glued to the upcoming Mini 5 Pro and the recently announced Mavic 4 Pro, DJI seems to be quietly working on something else behind the scenes. A new FPV-style drone has just surfaced in a leaked video, and from the looks of it, we might be getting an early look at the next-generation Avata. It's not confirmed by DJI, of course, but the design and structure in that clip have enough familiar traits, and a few new ones, to get the FPV community talking. The clearest leak we've got comes from Igor Bogdanov, who shared what appears to be footage of the DJI Avata 3 undergoing test flights. The video's not exactly cinematic. It's grainy, a bit pixelated, but it's good enough to spot a few important details. The drone in the video looks bulky, likely flipped upside down mid-flight, and carries the signature shape of DJI's Avata line. Based on that footage and a few stills, it's the most concrete look we've had so far at this upcoming model. Until now, the Avata 3 was more rumor than reality. The name popped up a few times from leakers, especially OsightyLV, but without any images, it was hard to take seriously. That changes now. This prototype, even in low res, looks pretty far along in testing. Let's talk design. At first glance, the Avata 3 keeps the same Cinehoop-style frame as the Avata 2, but there are some noticeable tweaks. For starters, the propeller guards look slimmer, and it seems DJI has moved to a 4-blade propeller setup. That alone could mean a more efficient and powerful flight profile, especially for FPV-style flying. There's also a shift in battery placement. The battery now seems to sit farther back, giving more space up front, possibly allowing for a better placed camera and the removal of those orange bumpers we saw on the Avata 2. The result? A cleaner look and potentially better weight distribution. Speaking of the camera, that might be one of the biggest upgrades. According to OsightyLV, the Avata 3 could come with a larger CMOS sensor, potentially up to 1 inch, which would be a big leap over the 1x1.3-inch sensor in the Avata 2. If that turns out to be true, expect much better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and more detailed footage. There are even whispers about raw video support, which would open the door for more professional-grade color grading in post. Another change worth noting: the gimbal. From what we've seen so far, it looks like it can tilt further upward, which often means better control at higher speeds. No word yet on whether DJI will add a mechanical stabilization system like a 2-axis gimbal, but that would be a welcome addition for smoother video during fast or aggressive maneuvers. And there's more. Some rumors suggest the Avata 3 could reach up to 30 minutes of flight time, thanks to a more efficient power system and new motors. That's a pretty big deal for an FPV drone, especially one with a ducted design, which usually eats into flight time. For comparison, the Avata 2 was rated for 23 minutes, but rarely hit that in real-world use. There's also talk about upgraded obstacle avoidance. The Avata 2 had limited detection, mostly on the bottom and rear, but the Avata 3 might introduce 360-degree sensors, something that would be a huge improvement for flying in dense environments like forests or urban settings. So, when's it all happening? Based on DJI's usual timeline, Avata launched in 2022, Avata 2 in early 2024. It's safe to bet on a release between October 2025 and March 2026. A teaser or spec leak could drop sooner, especially since this prototype is already out in the field. But don't expect pre-orders just yet. One last thing. It's still technically possible that this leaked drone is the Neo 2 and not the Avata 3, though the form factor and overall size lean strongly toward Avata. Either way, we now know DJI has multiple new models in active testing, and it's only a matter of time before more info trickles out. So if you've been thinking about grabbing an Avata 2 or waiting for a new FPV model, this might be your cue to hold off just a little longer. The Avata 3's shaping up to be a solid upgrade in all the right areas,